The Fox and the Grapes.
Once there lived a fox. He was very hungry. He went searching for food. He looked here and there for food. At last, he saw a bunch of delicious grapes hanging from a vine. His mouth started watering. Yummy! He wanted to taste the grapes, but they were very high. He jumped and jumped, but couldn't reach the grapes. The grapes were too far. Finally, the fox got tired and said, "These grapes are sour. I don't want them. Who will eat sour grapes?" At last, the hungry fox went on its way to another place. Moral of the story is, it's easy to despise what you can't have. Some things are difficult to get, but never give up trying.